silence is golden, peaceful, restorative, a place to find calm. But there's another kind of silence, the heavy weight of struggles we hide. It is the smile we wear to mask the ache inside, the words we swallow because we fear no one will understand, the pain we carry alone, thinking we are the only ones. Mental struggles often live in this silence. They do not always look like loud cries or visible tears. Sometimes this shows up pulling away from the things we love, feeling tired even though we have full night of sleep, or feeling like you are not just enough. No matter how hard you try, society has long last taught us to push through, to be strong, and to never complain. So, we stay quiet, building walls around our true feelings, until we almost forgot what it feels like to be truly seen. But silence is not strength, and you do not have to carry it all by yourself. The truth is, struggling does not mean you are broken. It means you are human, and human have limits. Every day, countless people around you are fighting battles you nothing about. Just as you fight yours, we are so used to pretending everything is fine that we forget how freeing is can be to simply say, I'm not okay. Breaking this silence does not mean you are weak. It takes courage. The courage is to be honest, to reach out, and to let others walk beside you. Your feelings matters. Your story matters, and your well-being is as important as someone else. There is no shame in needing support, no failure in asking for guidance, and no embarrassment in taking help. If you are listening and feeling trapped in your own silence today, know this. You do not have to stay there forever. You can start small. Share your own thoughts with someone you trust. Write them down or speak them out loud. Even the smallest sound can break the heaviest quiet. And if you see someone carrying this weight, be the one who helped create space for their boats. Ask them how they are and truly listen. Together, we can turn the silence into safety, loneliness into connection, and shame into acceptance. You are not alone in your struggles. Your life is valuable, and there is always hope, even in the quietest moment.
I just had to let you know you're